As always, it is a pleasure to stand before you, especially today, the 16th anniversary of Prudent Media. Whenever I address you today and otherwise, there's an energy that you create, this whole group, unparalleled across. The meaning of the word prudent is quite interesting, and why we are Prudent Media. Some says sensible and careful when making judgments and decisions. That's prudent, the exact meaning of prudent. I think it says it all. That's what Pramod Acharya and his team does at Prudent. This channel, over these 16 years, has really grown by bounds. Normally, we don't like to look back, because, it's okay, it's over. 16 years are over. Journey thus far was very good. But I think what we do today is to look forward. My God, wow, so much to do. This media world, digital world, there is so much to achieve. So looking forward, my dear friends, there's a lot to do. And today, I will take this opportunity to really welcome a very young dynamic mag again, Mr. Vinayak Gaikwad, the editor for BBC Marathi. Let's give a big hand and welcome him today. He's going to interact with all of us. BBC investing in Indian languages. Why? 6 Indian languages. Vinayak is based out of Delhi. The BBC is headquartered out of Delhi. And we thought we should invite him to interact with all of you, to share his experiences, to where BBC is moving. Is Konkani language in their, radar? Or what are their future plans? But I'm really honored today that Mr. Ambar Timlo, who normally doesn't like to come on stage, today, a lot of guys came and told me, sir, what an achievement. Mr. Ambar Timlo is here. I said, wow, yes, you're right. Sir, thank you so much. Chairman, Managing Director for the Group Fomento. I have worked with him for all my years in this company. And let me tell you, he is a box of energy. He is a box of freedom. He just lets the employees do what is best for the company. So let us take this opportunity to give a big hand to Ambar Timlo and thank him for what he does for the media. And well, my friend and colleague, Pramod Acharya, welcome to Prudent, sir. Pramod is all about Prudent, and Prudent is about Pramod. I must say that. Because the last so many years, 15 odd years, he has continuously worked hard, went on creating newer programs, newer ideas, and has created some good value for this vertical. And along with this vertical, of course, thanks Pramod, a big hand for Pramod Acharya, please too. Creating this app, which is better than the earlier app, calling it Prudent Plus. Why is it Prudent Plus? Because all our 4 newspapers is available on that app free for the world. Early morning, you can read the paper beautifully like you're reading a newspaper on your app, on your phone. And the second, of course, is a podcast, which is the new generation. And Pramod has worked very hard. We're beginning it today. We'll further make it better as we move forward. I'm so proud to see there are so many who have done 10 years and above out of 16 years in this company.
एक गजाल म्हाका सुरवातीक सांगचीशी दिसता, प्रुडंटाचेर मागीर येता. Incidentally, we were discussing last night, and we realized that BBC Marathi also started on 2nd October. So today is his anniversary also. they are completing 5 years. आणि म्हाका दिसता असो योग केन्नाय चुकून जुळून येता की ताची एनिवर्सरी आसतना तो आमच्या एनिवर्सरीक आयला. सो I think thanks a lot for accepting the invitation and being here. Prudent Plus. म्हाका दिसता Vinayak, I don't think many media houses have tried such an experiment. It's very courageous. I can very frankly say that it is a very courageous attempt. कारण आमी कितें केलां Prudent Plusatल्यान, आमी 3 गजाली केल्यात. पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार आमची सगळी वर्टिकल्स जी आसात ती आतां एकाच एपाचेर मेळटली. हांव सगळी वर्टिकल्स म्हणटा तेन्ना देर इज अ व्हेरी इंट्रस्टिंग मिक्स. 2 राज्यांतली 3 TV चॅनल्स, 2 राज्यांतले 4 न्यूजपेपर्स आणि 3 वेगवेगळ्या भाशांतली वर्टिकल्स. सो पयली गजाल म्हाका दिसना एनीबडी हॅज अ स्प्रेड लायक दीस. सेकंडली, nobody has put it in one basket and offered it to the viewers or readers. That is what we have attempted. Dusre Prudent podcast. Podcast again in this belt, Vinayak, I don't think anybody is attempting. Even most of the Marathi channels are not attempting. We decided to attempt कारण खूब फावटी आमकां लोकां कडच्यान शिकपाक मेळटा आनी लोक मागीर खूब फावटी सांगतात की बाबा हें कित्याक करना तुमी. Now this is an idea that came from viewers. Now why it came from viewers? Because आमगे गोंया भितर अशें आसा की चडशे लोक कोण पणजेसान मडगांव वता किंवा मडगांवसान पणजे कामां येता, सत्तरींतल्यान पणजे कामां येता, म्हापशासान पणजे कामां येता. And when these people are traveling, usually now everybody puts the headphone in the ear and they travel. So one complaint that we received, and it's a very nice complaint, an encouraging complaint, that what they do is that they put the earphones and they listen to our news bulletins or our programs while on the way. आणि सुशेगाद आयकत येतात ते मागीर बसीन जावं गाडयेन आसूं किंवा मोटरसायकलीचेर आसूं. प्रॉब्लेम एकच जाता की खूब कडेन कॉन्स्टंट रेंज मेळना. सो तुमी व्हिडिओचेर हे जेन्ना आयकतात, तुमी जरी ऑडियो आयकता आसले तरी एक एकदां बफरिंग जावपाक लागता. नाव दॅट बफरिंग वेन यू आर ट्रॅव्हलिंग बिकम्स एन इरिटेशन. सो आवर व्ह्युअर्स सजेस्टेड दॅट वाय डोंट यू स्टार्ट podcast, because most of us travel every day. Minimum we travel around 15 minutes to 1 hour. आणि आमकां संवय जाला हें आयकुपाची आनी दीस बफरिंग क्रिएट्स एन इरिटेशन. सो एज फार एज युअर मेन प्रोग्राम्स जे आसात, ज्या जाग्यार तुमकां आयकल्यार सगळी गजाली कळटात. कांय प्रोग्राम्स अशे आसात जे तुमकां पळोवचेच पडटले, ते आयकून कांयच हें जावचें ना. बट खुबशे प्रोग्राम अशे आसात ते मागीर इंटरव्यूवाचे आसूं, डिबेटाचे आसूं, डिस्कशनाचे आसूं, जे तुमी काना लावन आयकुपाक शकतात, न्यूज बुलेटीन कानाक लावन आयकुपाक शकतात. सो लोकां कडच्यान मागणी आयली की तुमी अशें कित्याक करना. एंड देन वी डिसायडेड की देन वाय ओनली डू इट इन अ जस्ट पीसमील कायंड ऑफ अ थिंग. लेट अस स्टार्ट दी पॉडकास्ट. अगेन आज पॉडकास्टूय लॉन्च जाता. सो फाल्यां सावन इफ यू आर ट्रॅव्हलिंग देन तुमकां बफरिंगाचो इशू किंवा बँडविड्थाच्या इशूचें टेन्शन घेवपाची गरज ना. तुमी सुशेगाद बसून प्रोग्राम जावं किंवा न्यूज बुलेटीन जावं आयकत जाय थंय ट्रॅव्हल करपाक शकतात. वन थिंग आय कॅन से की एज ऑफ टुडे वी वूड बी ऑन स्पॉटिफाय, वी वूड बी ऑन एपल, वी वूड बी ऑन एमेझॉन, वी विल बी ऑन यूट्यूब म्युझिक अँड वी विल बी ऑन गुगल ट्यून्स. सो ह्या 5 मेजर प्लस वी आर एडिंग मोर प्लॅटफॉर्म्स इन द कमिंग डेज. बट हे जे 5 मेजर आसात. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हॅव स्पॉटिफाय. सो फ्रॉम टुडे यू कॅन लिसन टू प्रुडंट ऑन स्पॉटिफाय. इफ यू आर iOS user, we are there. So everywhere Prudent podcast will be available on all these 5 major platforms. At least from today we are there. There's absolutely no problem.
It has been a near obsession of our group chairman, Mr. Timlo, and then I think it's passed on to all of us in the group, especially with regard to our media vertical, is to stay as far away from any form of involvement or influence, and be anything, if at all, whatever support that is requisite to ensure that accountability of information, reach of information is maximized. I think what the initiatives are being launched today are only testament to that endeavor. It's been an honor for me to present some of you who have been here since inception, as well as a long period of time, more than 10 years to some of you. Goa is going through its own form of challenges, and all of you are so relevant and important for the past and going forward for the future to ensure that with sharing of information, with sharing of fact, truth, things will improve and better in Goa. I think the currency that you're dealing with now is not money, but is information. And content is going to be effectively the new currency. It is the new currency in the world today. And a lot of people talk about Bitcoin and all these things, but we're in the space where your information, if it's solid, if it's correct, and if it's relevant, will attract the largest value. And that value will only be understood with the associations that you make over this period of time. So once again, I congratulate all of you on your 16 years. And you won't see me, you will see me, I promise you, within the next 16 years for sure. Thank you so much for all your time.
I'll tell you 5 things which I have learned over the past few years. Why I said 5 things? Because that is digital. If I tell you 30 minutes, I'm not going to listen to myself for 30 minutes. I'm going to be like, okay, kya hai? Nothing. But if I tell you just 5 points, you'll be keen to know that, okay, what are these 5 points? First thing is, आज मला प्रमोदनी म्हटलं की डिजिटल मीडिया चॅलेंजेस, मोठे ऑर्गनायझेशन्स काय करतात हे ते त्याबद्दल आपण बोलूया. पण पहिलं आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, अँड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी टॉकिंग टू यू, यू ऑल्सो हॅव टू रिस्पॉन्ड. I hope that you will. First question is, what is digital? Can anyone tell? Or कोणाला माहिती आहे की yes, I am the best आणि मला माहिती आहे डिजिटल मध्ये काय चालतं? Anybody knows it? There is the answer. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it. If anyone comes to you and tell you that, you know, I know the digital space and I am the guru and I'll tell you to do this and do that, tell them, please. Because digital is one space which is changing constantly. Every day, every minute, there is something new. This is the best thing happened to us, mobile, and we all are there. You know, you have got your podcast. Podcast is the next big thing because we have seen paper, newspapers, television, now websites and audio. Audio has great potential, and I'm really great that, you know, you've started your podcast. I love the jingle, by the way. It was really good, and he told me that you've done it in just 24 hours, right? Really well. So, point number 1 is, nobody knows digital because it's changing, but how different it is. वेगळं कसं आहे तर दिवसाची सुरुवात पहिल्यांदा पेपरनी व्हायची, अजूनही आपण पेपर वाचतो. त्यानंतर टीव्ही आला. पेपर, टीव्ही या गोष्टी झाल्या. नंतर आपल्या हातात ही एक गोष्ट आली जी सतत आपल्याबरोबर असते. म्हणजे आय कांट इवन थिंक दॅट आय कॅन कीप माय फोन फॉर सम टाइम अँड जस्ट बी रिलॅक्स. नो, आय कांट. अँड दॅट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट थिंग टू डू. बट या, वी आर यूज टू दिस अँड वी आर कॉन्स्टंटली ऑन इट. बट दिस इज व्हेरी पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स. Digital for me personally is A, it is personal. B, it is quick. C, it gives me everything on my fingertips. Whatever I want to, it gives me an option to choose and select and do whatever. Right at this time, I can do a lot of things on my phone. You know, evolution होतं. प्रत्येक गोष्टीचं evolution होतं. जर्नलिझमचं evolution झालेलं आहे. मी कधी प्रिंटमध्ये काम नाही केलं. So I can't, you know, talk about print journalism. It has got history and we are all proud of it. मी टेलिव्हिजनमध्ये काम केलं. मी 10 वर्ष टीव्हीमध्ये काम केलं आणि मग 5 वर्ष मी डिजिटलमध्ये काम करतोय. या 10 वर्षांमध्ये काही गोष्टी चांगल्या शिकलो, काही वाईटही गोष्टी शिकलो. पण डिजिटलमध्ये आल्यावरती सगळ्या गोष्टी विसरायला लागल्या. वी हॅड टू अनलर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बिकॉज वी कम विथ अ बॅगेज दॅट, यू नो, हे असं केलंय आम्ही, मी 10 वर्ष हे केलंय, मी 15 वर्ष केलंय. नो, डिजिटल इज समथिंग विच इज कम्प्लिटली न्यू आणि आपल्याला कोणालाच माहीत नाही. जसं मी म्हटलं की इट इज इव्हॉल्विंग अँड चेंजिंग एव्हरी सिंगल मोमेंट. वी आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स. So second point, I'm going to tell you my own experiences that what are the big news channels, because Maharashtra has got, as Pramod mentioned in his speech, there are n number of news channels, n number of newspapers, and all are big. But are they doing digital? If you ask me personally, and I can say this very personally, if you ask me, do you have digital players? I would say no. Because I believe that digital cannot be a byproduct of television or newspaper. Right now we have lot of players, big media houses, and they have great digital presence, but either they have a newspaper and then they put things on their website, or they have a big news channel and they clip out those things and put it on social. And that's what they call digital. But is it digital? It is not digital. Then what is digital? Digital is the A, formats, B, treatment, C, the most important thing is characters. In this room, we all are journalists and we are storytellers. Are we telling stories? There are n number of stories to be told. So are we doing that? Digital gives us this, opportunity, a unique opportunity to tell stories in a way we want to, and we can be creative. So BBC's line and motto is to be the most creative organization in the world. That's it. We are going towards digital. BBC is going through a lot of changes right now. They're shutting down a lot of things. For example, Syndicate TV. As I heard Vikram mentioning that linear television is dying. It is true. It is true. And see, I'm not saying that I have worked in television. I have a soft corner for that. I love TV. But at the end of the day, it's going to go. And then this space called digital is going to replace it. So we have to be ready with it. Few quick examples what I can give you. So, for example, news channels. I've worked with a lot of people. All are my friends, and then we, sit together and discuss, what are you guys doing? How are you doing? So what's the performance? So yesterday we sat and we discussed about ours, but yeah, the same way we do it. But they always say, यार नहीं हमारा TV best है, ये अच्छा चल रहा है, digital पे इतना ज़्यादा response नहीं है, कैसे आएगा? Because right now television channels are not doing anything new. Name any TV channel. I'm not gonna name anyone, but yeah, you can switch on any TV channel and go on their YouTube, Facebook, or even the website. What are they doing? They're just clipping things and put it on their social media. Same is the case with newspapers. They're just putting lot of stories on their websites. But is it helping us? Here on digital, the biggest challenge, the third point of the challenge is, what are we going to do? In newspaper and TV, we went behind. We were running after the numbers, the reach. In digital, are we also going to do the same? Unfortunately, I can be candid here, unfortunately, the race is still on. We always talk about numbers. We judge our performance on numbers, of course. The best thing is, it is very real time, quick. We get to know क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, क्यों नहीं चल रहा है, ऐसा है, let's change it. आणि मग आपण त्याच्यात बदल पण करतो. But at the end of the day, again, digital मध्ये race, numbers, everything is comma. मग यातनं आपण बाहेर कसं पडायचं? There are two things, reach and impact. Reach is absolutely important because unless and until मी लाख लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचलो, तोपर्यंत माझा content काय आहे तो त्यांना कळणार नाहीये. Reach is important. Nobody is saying that reach is not important. But do we just want the reach or do we want the valued reach? At the BBC, we go after the valued reach. Numbers, yes, are important, but even if the numbers are low, we see the impact of it. Your numbers are really great. आणि गोव्यामध्ये तुमच्यासारखं नेटवर्क असणं हे खूप महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे इन्फॉर्मेशनसाठी, कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर्ससाठी. महाराष्ट्र इज अ बिग स्टेट, सो आमचे स्वतःचे नंबर्ससुद्धा जास्त आहेत. बट अगेन वी आर अ स्मॉल प्लेयर. Yesterday we were just talking and we were saying की BBC मराठी का आलं, म्हणजे इतके सगळे न्यूज चॅनल्स आहेत, इतके सगळे पेपर्स आहेत, एवढे मीडिया ऑर्गनायझेशन्स आहेत, मग आम्ही का आलो? आम्ही यासाठी आलो, आणि जेव्हा आम्ही आलो आजच 2 तारीख, आज 5 वर्षांपूर्वी, मला अजूनही तो दिवस आठवतो, ज्यावेळेस आम्ही सुरू केलं, आमचा एकच उद्देश होता की आपण या रॅट रेसमध्ये नाही जायचं. आपण जाऊच नाही शकत, कारण आम्ही 26 जणांची टीम आहोत. 26 जणं, म्हणजे काही दिल्लीमध्ये आहेत, काही मुंबईमध्ये आहेत, महाराष्ट्रात काही जण आहेत. पण आपण नाही हे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, अपडेट न्यूज, या सगळ्या गोष्टी दनादन टाईप करून टाकू शकत, नाही करू शकत. मग व्हॉट वी डिसाइडेड, लेट्स डू स्टोरीज विच आर इम्पॉर्टंट. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज करावीच लागणार आहे, बट त्या स्टोरीज आपण अँगल्ड स्टोरीज करूया. व्हॉट डू पीपल वॉन्ट? We invested in audience research. We went to people, asked them what you want. नॉर्मली आपलं काय होतं, न्यूज चॅनल्समध्ये किंवा कुठल्याही न्यूज ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये आपण गोष्टी ठरवतो, आपण न्यूज देतो, आणि वी एक्सपेक्ट की हां लोकांना हेच आवडत असेल, आणि मग ते एका बाजूनीच सगळं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन चाललं असतं. डिजिटल इज नॉट दॅट. डिजिटल इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अँड द ब्युटी इज ऑडियन्स इंटरॅक्शन. दे गेट टू इंटरॅक्ट टू यू रिअल टाईम. आज यूट्यूबवरच्या कमेंट्स मी काय वाचवतो, किंवा फेसबुकवरती असतील, तुमचे CTAs असतील, कॉल टू ॲक्शन जे तुम्ही फेसबुकवर करता, रिअली ग्रेट. पीपल गेट टू कनेक्ट टू यू अँड दॅट इज द ब्युटी. द अदर चॅलेंज in this digital space, which we also are facing, is loyalty. Facebook, YouTube, Insta, Twitter, name any platform. या सगळ्या गोष्टी पहिल्यांदा आल्या त्या म्हणजे एंटरटेनमेंटसाठी. मला फेसबुकवर काय, मला माझ्या मित्रांशी बोलायचं आहे म्हणून, मग त्याच्यात न्यूज आली. ट्विटर, ऑफकोर्स ट्विटरनी काहीतरी वेगळंच केलं, कारण का ट्विटरवर आता ब्रेकिंग कुठेही नाही तर ट्विटरवर आपल्याला कळते. सो आणि इट्स बिन हॅपनिंग फॉर अ व्हेरी लाँग टाईम. बट या सगळ्या सोशल मीडियावरती आपल्याला नेमका काय कॉन्टेंट टाकायचं आहे, आपल्याला काय नाही टाकायचं आहे, याचा विचार किती केला जातो हे अजूनही मला माहीत नाही, आणि किती जण त्याचा विचार करतात हेही मला माहीत नाही. मी लॉयल्टीचा मुद्दा हा का मांडला, कारण 2 वर्षापूर्वी जेव्हा कोविड आला तेव्हा वी वर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लेम की ओके 3 वर्ष झाली आहेत, परफॉर्मन्स ओके चालला आहे, पण आपण इम्पॅक्टच्या मेट्रिक्समध्ये किंवा आपण इम्पॅक्ट किती लोकांवर करतोय. ऑफकोर्स रिअल टाईम इम्पॅक्ट म्हणजे मी एक चांगली बातमी केली, आज एक उत्तम बातमी झाली, त्याचा इम्पॅक्ट झाला, येस. बट इम्पॅक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑडियन्स ऑल्सो इज इम्पॉर्टंट. त्याचे 2-3 मेट्रिक्स BBCच्या युनिव्हर्समध्ये आम्ही जस्ट बघतो. एक ते म्हणजे रिटेन्शन किती आहे, टाईम स्पेंड किती आहे, काय, दीज आर टेक्निकल थिंग्स. बट लॉयल ऑडियन्स बिल्ड करणं आणि त्या ऑडियन्सला घेऊन पुढे जाणं हे आमच्यासाठी खूप मोठं चॅलेंज होतं, कारण ऑलरेडी मार्केट इतकं सॅच्युरेटेड होतं की आपला एक मार्क बनवणं आणि त्यातनं पुढे जाणं वॉज डिफिकल्ट. सो वॉट वी डिड द पॉडकास्ट. There was a COVID time, and that time we did one podcast. It stuck with the people, and it's been 758 episodes right now.
विनायक गायकवाडची डेफिनेटली प्रमोदान सांगले तशी तांची एनिवर्सरी स्वता BBCची, आनी एक वर्किंग जर्नलिस्टाक अशें प्रोग्रामाक आपोवप इज नॉट आनी येवप, कारण कंटेंटांतले मनीस आमी, आमकां 24/7 तेंत करीत कितें वेगळें कोणें कितें हाडलें की इरिटेट जातात. असो मनीस आपली 24 वरांचें तें शेड्यूल काडून आपले एनिवर्सरी दिसा हांगा येता आनी आमकां गायडन्स करता. सो बिग अप्लॉड्स टू विनायक. प्रमोद डेफिनेटली, प्रमोद इज लिडींग दीस टीम. परत हांव घोड्याचेर येता. विराट म्हणून राष्ट्रपती भवनाक एक घोडो आसा, हालीं रिटायर जालो तो, ताका सेंड ऑफ दिलो प्रायम मिनिस्टर. फाटली जी रिपब्लीक डे जाली, प्रायम मिनिस्टर, डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आनी प्रेजिडेंटान ताका सेंड ऑफ दिलो. 13 वर्सां जालीं घोडो उरलो तो, आनी तातूंतली 10 वर्सां ताणें संचलन केलें. रिपब्लीक डे 15 ऑगस्ट जी संचलनां जाता भायले एकदां नॅशनल लिडर्स येतात इंटरनॅशनल लिडर्स राजभवनात तांकां सलामी दिवपाची आसता सगळे परेडाक ही यूज टू लीड द परेड आनी तो घोडो तांकां मेळत नाशिल्लो असलो त्या घोड्याक सर्वीस एक्सटेंशन दिलें 3-4 फावटी कारण ती डिसिप्लीन ती स्ट्रेंथ ती क्वालिटी ती स्कील आनी लिडरशीप क्वालिटी त्या घोड्याक दुसऱ्या घोड्याक तांकां मेळनाशिल्ली कारण तो लिडर तो घोडो इज व्हेरी क्रुशियल ताजें एक पावल उलटें पडत फाल्स पडत बाकीचे सगळे घोडे चुकतात इतलो परफेक्ट तो आसचो पडटा सो प्रमोद हो तो घोडो विराट बीग अपलोड्स टू प्रमोद आनी लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट आमचे HR शर्मा बाब थंय बसल्या कर्नल बाब ऑस्टिना डेफिनेटली मिडियाचो व्याप डे टू डे हांगाच न्ही डे टू डे सुद्दां तें सांबाळून घेता तें पळयत HRान मिडियाचो धांव धपट्टी डेली सांबाळून घेवप सो HRाचें आमकां जें कोऑपरेशन मेळटा आय एम रियली थँकफूल टू HR फॉर ऑल दीस ऑर्गनायजेशन सो इतल्याचेर हांव म्हजें अश्वपुराण थांबयतां थँक्स अ लॉट